Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. Welcome back to another vlog. If you like what you see, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. Anyways, we're gonna head up to Caffeine and Octane. It's North America's largest car show. It's huge. It's about 45 minutes from the house. We're gonna hop on the road, but first I'm gonna get y'all a cold start. Oh yeah, sounding good. I got a spider web on. Anyways, we're gonna get on the road. Well, they put the show on the backside of the mall. It used to be right there. They moved it to the backside, so we're gonna pull around the backside. But we're here. Glasses are dirty. I can't see him. I can't see him smoking hot wild.
Yeah. They're fixing it.
Well, we're here in the parking lot checking out cars.
This thing's cool. It's not a car, but it's still cool. You see back inside the show. It's neat.
If you had to lift it easier, I could jack it up on the side. It's only like 2 or 4. Yes, sir.
Ed Bolian's Manual Mercy. I think it's sick.
It's a yellow jacket.
Well, that was a successful Caffeine and Octane trip. Got to meet Ed Bolian and see his Lamborghini. That was awesome. That's probably the highlight for me. But we're gonna get back to the house and we'll catch you on the next video.
Bye.
You know the message. If you ain't on the brake, better be on it.
Skinny pedal.
That's right. We out of here.